Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new episode of Boofs' Sports Card Collecting. Today I got a blaster box of 2022 Donruss that I'm going to go ahead and rip and open up. This is a fun product, always got some interesting cards in the Donruss stuff, lots of inserts and number cards. It says, this is discover new inserts including marbles and the hits. Now this is 2022, so it's not so new, but we'll see what we can pull out of this. Having a lot of fun ripping all these blasters I've been holding on to, so it's been kind of an interesting journey through all these fun products of blasters that I've been having. There's an empty blaster box. There's the packs. All right, let's see what we can pull. A little difficult to open. All right. Top card. We got a Diamond Kings of Juan Soto. Cool. Rated rookie of Riley Adams. Another Juan Soto. Cool. Rated rookie of Chas McCormick. Home run by George Brett. Joe Morgan. Omar Narvaez. Aaron Judge, all rise. Rhys Hoskins. Fermel Reyes in the 88 Donruss style. Brandon Woodruff. Logan Webb in the 88 Donruss style. Diamond Kings, purple, Ronald Acuna Jr. Very cool. That'll go to my collection of Ronalds. And we got ourselves a nice purple of Tupena Marciano. I don't know who that is from the Pittsburgh, but that's purple. Cool. And a elite Anthony Rizzo for the Yankees. All right, next pack. All right, top card. Another Diamond Kings card of Brian Reyes, Diamond Kings. Rated rookie of Tenel Murgel. 88 style Melvin Mentor. Rated rookie O'Neal Cruz Jr. That's cool. O'Neal Cruz, sweet. That's cool. Got a Bo Bichette. Got a John Means. Got a Jeremiah Candelar. Kyle Schwarber on the Red Sox. Ichiro, 88 style. Very cool. Brandon Crawford. Jose Ramirez on the 88 style. A red rated rookie of Rosemary Contreras. I don't know. Rated rookie for Pittsburgh. I got a rated rookie purple of Reese Kenzer. Purple foil. So, and another purple foil of Nathan Eovaldi. And wow, check that one out. Dominators. Xander Bogaerts. Very cool. All right, next pack. Now, these Donruss packs don't want to open up so smoothly. There we go. All right, top card. This is a short print. Walthath. Yeah, that's a short print. I don't think that's his name. It's a nickname, I believe. Nickname short print. Rated rookie of Jake Meyer. Diamond Kings, Tampa Bay, Brandon Lau. Rated rookie of John Heasley from the Kansas City Royals. Chris Bassett. Liam Hendricks from the White Sox. Yu Darvish when he's on the Padres. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. for the Blue Jays. Jose Abreu. Luis Reyes, 88 style. Ke'Bryan Hayes. Chris Bryant with the Stars border. Chris Bryant. Purple. Check it out. Babe Ruth. Purple foil. Babe Ruth. Very cool. And another purple foil of Cal Ripken Jr. And I also got a rated rookie JJ Bidet. That one's cool, rated rookie. All right, next pack. Top card is a Diamond Kings of Pete Alonso. Big Meat Pete. That's cool. I collect him. Rated rookie of Luis Gurriel. Diamond Kings of Matt Olson. Cal Riley, rated rookie. Willie McCovey. Ronald Acuna Jr. Cool. Rod Carew. Brooks Robinson. An 88 style of Josh Hader. Aaron Nola. 88 style of Willie Stargell. A red Jake Cronenworth. Cool. And a purple foil rated rookie of John Hensley. And another purple foil of Jesse Winker. And a Marvels Ronald Acuna Jr. Bang. That's cool. All right. Next pack. All right. Top card. We got another Diamond Kings of Joey Grand Theft Auto. Rami Gonzalez, rated rookie. Bo Flows, short print nickname for Bo Bichette. Jake McCarthy, rated rookie. Mitch Henniger. Shane McClanahan from the McClanahan clan. Fernando Tatis Jr. Very cool. Yordan Alvarez, also very cool. Kyle Tucker. Brandon Reynolds, 88, Donruss. Cody Bellinger on the Dodgers. Stars, Stan the Man. Short print. Very cool. Diamond Kings, purple foil, Brandon Lau. Another purple foil of Austin Hedges. And the hit list, Corey Seager. That's a pretty cool looking card. The hit list. All right, last pack magic, last pack mojo. Let's see if we can get some fire out of this last pack. All right, got a Ronald Acuna Jr., but this does not look the same. Yep. So Ronald Acuna and Ronald Acuna. I don't know which one is the short print. Yeah, somewhere along the line here, there's an image variation short print. Very cool. Rated rookie Jackson Kowar. Diamond Kings Alvaros Garcia. Rated rookie of Yohan Yepez. Jared Walsh. Teoscar Hernandez. Willie Adames. Justin Turner. Joe Adell. Sean Manania. I said that wrong. 88 style Donruss. Noah Syndergaard. Freddie Padaltra. 88 Donruss. Jake Berger. Rated rookie. Purple. Foil, excuse me. Another purple foil of Johnny Bench. And my last card of the blaster is the hit list of Yuri Gurriel. All right, so that was my rip. Very cool cards. Lots of stuff to put away. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Leave a like in the comment section down below on your favorite card or what you liked or disliked about this. And as always, peace.